And good Thursday evening. Time to take a look here at your weather webcast on this Thursday. And we had a few sprinkles that rolled through earlier today, but the sun came out. It turned out not to be too bad of a day. 68 degrees after a morning low of 45, and as you can see, that is actually pretty close to our normals for this time of the year. Now, on the radar picture, you'll be able to see these scattered sprinkles of showers that rolled through earlier this afternoon and evening. Now we're getting into the warm, dry sector. And I believe that sector will kind of remain with us as we go throughout your Friday into your Friday night as well. So that's some good news for area local football games as well. Staying dry out there through the nighttime hours tonight. And then as we go throughout your Friday, looks like it's going to mainly stay dry as well now, as most of the rain should hold off until late Saturday and into Saturday night. It's not good news for the trick-or-treaters or for people going into those college football games. But overall, the good news is the rain should hold off for us on our Friday night. On the regional radar composite, you can see this warm front lifting on off towards the north and east here, but you can see plenty of moisture getting pulled up out of the Gulf of Mexico ahead of this cold front that's going to be moving off towards the east here, bringing us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms on Saturday before much cold air filters in, or at least cool air filters in. But look at this big system in the midsection of the country here. At one point in time today, we had snow from Mexico all the way up through the Canadian border there, and scattered showers really lifting all the way out towards the north and east as well. So this has a lot of moisture wrapped up in this system, a very powerful system here developing in the Midwest and Plain States, but it's only going to be moving very slowly out towards the east tomorrow. So looks like it's actually going to stay just off to our west as we go throughout the day on Friday, which means Friday night activities should stay dry. So as we look at it on the forecast charts, you'll be able to see here as we go throughout tonight, most of the activity staying off to our west, and then as we go throughout your Friday, look at Friday evening, most of the activity again still off towards the west of us right now where all the main showers and storms are. But let's head towards Saturday. The front will actually move through first, and then we'll get some what we call rain behind the front, or post-frontal rains that'll move in, and that could be with us through most of the day on Saturday before clearing out. The exact timing is still a little uncertain. Now for football Friday coming up, looks like now it's going to be mainly dry. Temperatures going from the lower 70s down into the 60s. So overall, not a bad night for football. And of course for your Halloween though, looks like there is a 60% chance of rain showers with temperatures dropping from the 60s down into the 50s out there as that cold front passes by. Hopefully we can get the rain out of here by Saturday night. But right now, a lot of the computer models want to keep the rain in the forecast. So 54 tonight, mostly cloudy out there. Some fog will be there with temperatures dropping down or warming up to 72 on your Friday with mostly cloudy skies, but it will be breezy with southeasterly winds 5 to 15 miles per hour. And then as we take a look here, and we'll be looking at the warmer air gets replaced by cooler air for the weekend and into next week. And we kind of just remain kind of cool here as most of the warmer air gets pressed off to the south and west here. And that looks maybe to be the trend as we go throughout the most of the week. Also means we may be looking at, yes, dry weather. I know that could be hard to believe at this time, but we may see 5 or 6 days of dry weather coming up as we head towards next week. But again, for your Halloween, expect more rain. And don't forget to set those clocks back 1 hour coming up here on Saturday night. And then looks like, again, quite a bit of dry and cooler weather moving in as we head towards the beginning and middle part of next week. That's a good your weather webcast for today. Stay with us. We'll have our next one on coming up Monday evening. I won't have one coming up for you tomorrow due to all the activities. But tomorrow, Monday evening, we'll have our next weather webcast on November the 2nd. We'll see you then.